So I just wanted to announce that effective immediately.
Ciumia nini thutha wa kambuni ya SportPesa kuyeheria na gukanja kandarathi ciayo na athaki o ndumwe na irabu na federations zitiganite. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Wiliam Ruto ni anireire thirikari ni kurekereria kimanjika gia ciringi mirioni 500 guthinga mianya iria iriho mathako-ini.
The winner of the School Team of the Year Girls category, Wiyete Girls.
Hamwe na federations ili hutitio na njira nene ni Kenya Rugby Union na Boxing Association of Kenya.
I know that there are gaps that have arisen out of withdrawal of some sponsors. But I want to say this evening, the government of Kenya is going to step in and eliminate all gaps. I'm told it's to the tune of about 500 million. We have provided the 500 million shillings to eliminate any gaps.
Gukiri ogwo thirikari ndigucoka na thutha hari itua riayo ya kuhura ndosho ya gicunjĩ kĩa 35 harĩ igana kuri kambuni cia guthithia kamari.
Paying taxes is not an option. It's a must for all of us.
Thutha wa Kenya kuimwo kanya ga gutabania mbitika cia CHAN mwaka uyu na iria cirathi na mbere bũrũri-inĩ wa Morocco ni ũndũ wa wagi wa iharo, thirikari ni ikinyĩrĩirie mĩako yothe ni ĩkũrĩkĩrĩra twĩkinyeria mweri wa gatandatũ mwaka uyu turi.
I'm pleased to announce that 5 stadia will be complete by April, and 4 will be complete by June this year.
Karigana na miario ya mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathako wa Kilimi Kaberia uria uri na kibarua gya gutigirira ati aria marehetwo kandarathi matinagonderera.
They have agreed with us that yes, the timeline of April is feasible, and we are going to now ensure that all systems are go from here so that by April we are able to deliver this stadium.
Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV.